Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how to do the page layout setup and then we do printing in the Excel file. Okay, let's get started now. I will open the Excel file. Yeah, so here this is the Excel file which contains the table of the data. Okay, so now I will print this table. Before printing, you should select you should do some the configuration for the page layout. Okay, I click on the file on the menu and I will click on print. So here in print I can see print preview. Yeah, you see if we print this file now, it look not better because we have a lot of the data in this table. However, when we do print preview, we are missing some the table, missing some column. Okay, so that means for now if we print it, it's not good. Okay, we need to do some the page layout setup first. You see here we have a page layout. By default we are printed in the portrait orientation. I will change it to the landscape because our data in the table is very big. We have a lot of things there, so we have to change the option to the landscape instead of the portrait. We also select another page size. It will be the A3, I think. Yeah. So here, if you change it to A4, yeah, we will miss the note column. So that means I have to change it to the A3. Okay. And then you can click on the page setup here to see some of the option. Okay. We have the page tab. Okay. Margin, top, left, and right. Okay. So here we have option is center on a page. Yeah. You see here we have a lot of data, but it is left alignment. And it seems on the right hand there are some the space here. We have some blank space. If we center it in the horizontal, I think it will look better. Header footer. So for the header footer, you can print the number of the page number. I will have a footer. It will be the page number. Yeah. Okay, and then click OK button. Yeah. So you see here the values of the data in the table had been centered horizontal. Okay. So now here we have 3 pages. Good. Okay. We can save it to the PDF or another format, or even you can print it directly. Click on print it here. Because I don't have a print connecting to this PC, so I have saved it to the PDF file. I will name it either my table, Excel table. Save it to the desktop. I back to my desktop and open the PDF file. Yeah, it look better, right? So now you can copy this file to deliver it to the team member or the management, or you can even print it. Okay. I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to do the layout setting for the printing. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you see this is useful, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel to get updated. Okay, again, thank you and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.